So, good evening, students. So, today we have to study the trigonometric functions of the allied angles. Trigonometric functions of allied angles. Trigonometric functions of the trigonometric functions of allied angles. So, first of all, we see definition of allied angles. What is meant by allied angles? So, allied angles nothing but the angles n pi by 2 plus or minus theta.
Theta.
N pi by 2 plus or minus theta. These angles are called allied angles. So theta is nothing but some acute angle. We say 0, 30, 60, 45, 90. It means it's some acute angle. What is n? N is any integer. Any integer. Either it may positive or negative. It is any integer. So suppose if I set if I put n equal to 1, so that is pi by 2 plus theta allied angle. And also you know that pi by 2 in degree, pi by 2 is nothing but 90 degree. So we can define like this also, n into 90 plus or minus theta. So 90 plus theta, 90 minus theta. Or if I take n equal to 2, it is 2 to cancel. Pi plus theta means 180 plus theta, 180 minus theta. If I take n equal to 3 pi by 2 plus or minus theta, n equal to 4, 2 pi plus or minus theta. So these all angles are called allied angles. 180 plus theta, 180 minus theta, 270 plus theta, 270 minus theta, etc. These angles are called allied angles. Now we have to study the trigonometric functions of allied angles. So it has some big concept is. So first we start trigonometric functions or ratios of angle 90 minus theta in terms of those of theta. In terms of those of theta. In terms of those of theta. So we know that this concept you are studying in first year. In 10th. That is first I take sine of 90 minus theta. That is equal to cos theta.
Cos theta.
And cos of 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. So that you are studying in high school. Then tan of 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Sakshi, please mute your mic. Cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. And sec 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta. And cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. These are the trigonometric ratios of the 90 minus theta in terms of theta. Like this, the another very important is trigonometric ratios of minus theta in terms of those of theta. See this. This is also very important. So take the quadrant and let a point P of x comma y be any point in the x y plane. So join OP and draw PM perpendicular to x-axis. This is 90 degree, and let this theta. So if it is x comma y, then perpendicular distance of the point from y-axis is nothing but x, and perpendicular distance from x-axis is nothing but y. Let OP is the magnitude of that is OP, vector OP. Then we define according to Pythagoras theorem, that is R equal to this OP is equal to square root of x square plus y square. Let is R. So in this triangle, in right angle triangle POM, we can define sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse y by r, and cos theta is defined as adjacent by hypotenuse, that is x by r, and tan theta is defined as opposite by adjacent. And after this their reciprocals, that is cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta, so it is hypotenuse by opposite, and sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta, that is hypotenuse by adjacent, and cot theta is reciprocal of tan, that is equal to adjacent by opposite. This is about trigonometric ratios of in terms of theta. Now we have to find in terms those of theta. Now take again right angle triangle. This is in terms of theta x, y, r. Now minus theta, where it come? That is theta, angle theta is positive, so we measure in anti-clockwise. Minus theta is nothing but we have to measure the angle in clockwise direction. So it has exactly same magnitude as that of the theta. Only what it is direction is opposite. It is in clockwise direction. So I take this point Q. So in the figure, that is OP is equal to OQ. OP is equal to OQ. Let it both R. And here PM is Y. Now what is QM? QM is also same height because this OM is common in both. That is OM is common in both the triangle, that is X. Therefore, the QM is the same as height Y, but opposite in direction. So it is minus Y. That's just QM is the same height as that of PM, but opposite direction. So it is minus Y. And OM is common in both the triangle, common side. So OM is equal to X. So in this triangle, in triangle QOM, so we can define sign of minus theta. Saif Marufa, Saif is Huzefa. Huzefa, please mute your mic. Saif. Saif Maruf. Saif. So sign of minus theta is now. Definition of sine is opposite by hypotenuse. Your opposite is here QM and hypotenuse is OQ. Then QM is equal to minus Y, OQ is equal to R. So in the previous triangle, you know that Y by R is nothing but sine theta. In the previous case, we have studied minus Y by R is sine theta. So this is minus sine theta. So we got sine of minus theta equal to minus sine theta. Similarly, we can find cos of minus theta. Definition of cos, adjacent by hypotenuse. Here adjacent is OM, hypotenuse is OQ. OM is the X, this is R. So X by R is in the triangle POM, that is cos theta. Cos of minus theta is plus cos theta. Cos of minus theta plus cos theta, sin of minus theta minus sin theta. Then we can find tan of minus theta. So what is tan definition? Opposite by adjacent. Opposite is here QM, adjacent is OM. QM is equal to what? QM is minus Y, OM is X. So minus in the triangle POM, Y by X is in the triangle POM, Y by X is equal to tan theta. Therefore, tan of minus theta is equal to minus tan theta. Then, now what is cot minus theta? That is cot of minus theta is equal to just cot is nothing but reciprocal of the tan 1 by tan of minus theta. So it is become 1 by minus tan theta. Tan cot minus theta equal to 1 by tan minus theta. So it is 1 by minus tan theta. So it is minus cot theta. Sec of what? Sec of minus theta become sec of minus theta is equal to reciprocal of cos. What you have cos, that is plus cos theta. Cos of minus theta is plus cos theta. So sec minus theta is 1 by cos minus theta. So 1 by cos theta it will. This is equal to sec theta. Then similarly cosec minus theta is cosec minus theta equal to 1 by sin of minus theta. So 1 by what is sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. So is equal to minus cosec theta. So these are the trigonometric ratios of minus theta in terms of theta. Sin minus theta we got minus sin theta. Cos of minus theta is plus cos theta. Tan of minus tan theta is minus tan theta. Cot of minus theta is minus cot theta. Sec minus theta is plus sec. Cosec minus theta is plus minus cosec. Observe that only cos theta, cos of minus theta and sec of minus theta both are positive. Listen this. The remaining four function all are negative. Why? Because of this, minus theta lies in which quadrant? Minus theta is belongs to fourth quadrant. So in the fourth quadrant, we know that cos theta and sec theta are positive. Remaining four functions are negative. That here proof it is. Minus theta belongs to fourth quadrant. Therefore, sin is minus, cos is plus, cos is positive, and as well as sec is positive. Tan minus theta, minus tan theta, cot negative, that is minus cot theta, cosec negative, that is minus cosec theta. Like this, the trigonometric functions or ratios of minus theta in terms of those of the theta. So next is now third one is trigonometric ratios or functions, ratios of 90 plus theta in terms of theta. It is simple. We can prove this trigonometry. We can find the trigonometry ratios of 90 plus theta in terms of theta by using the above two results. So already we have the trigonometric ratios or functions of the minus theta and 90 minus theta. So using this, we can find the trigonometric ratios of 90 plus theta. See, first one is sine of 90 plus theta. So this can be written as sine of 90 minus of minus theta. Is it right? minus theta minus plus theta. So same, this only 90 plus theta can be split as 90 minus or minus theta. It will result the same result will get. So now I assume this minus theta is x. Assume this is minus theta is x. Then what you know that sine of 90 minus x? Sine of 90 minus x is equal to cos x. So like this, sine of 90 minus x is equal to cos x. But what is x for here? Minus theta. Then what is cos of minus theta? Already you have discovered it. Cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. Now we got result. Sine of 90 plus theta is equal to cos theta. Remember this, sine 90 plus theta is cos theta. Like this, we can find cos of 90 plus theta. The same way, this is cos 90 minus of minus theta. So minus theta, I take x. Then we know that minus theta, I assume x. Then cos 90 minus x. What is cos 90 minus x? Cos 90 minus x is equal to sin x. It is like this now, sin of x power minus theta. Hence, it is equal to minus sin theta. You know, sin of minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Then, the what we got now, cos of 90 plus theta equal to minus sin theta. Like this, tan 90 plus theta. So tan 90 plus theta again we can write like this. Otherwise, you can do like this also. Tan theta is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. So sin 90 plus theta divided by cos 90 plus theta. What you have sin 90 plus theta? That is cos theta. Here there sin 90 plus theta is cos theta divided by cos 90 plus theta is minus sin theta. Therefore, plus by minus is minus. Cos by sin is cot. So tan 90 plus theta is equal to minus cot theta. Tan of 90 plus theta is minus cot theta. Like this, we can find cot 90 plus theta is cot is the reciprocal of tan. Cot 90 plus theta equal to 1 by tan 90 plus theta is equal to 1 by tan 90 plus theta is how much? Tan 90 plus theta is minus cot theta. So it is become minus 1 by cot is tan theta. This is. Then like this now sec 90 plus theta. Sec 90 plus theta is equal to what? Sec is reciprocal of cos 1 by cos 90 plus theta. So 1 by cos 90 plus theta is my cos 90 plus theta is here minus sin theta. So minus keep as it is 1 by sin is cosec theta. Then like this cosec 90 plus theta, cosec 90 plus theta is equal to 1 by sin 90 plus theta. 1 by sin 90 plus theta. So 1 by what is sin 90 plus theta is your cos theta. So 1 by cos theta is equal to sec theta. So here 90 plus theta belongs to which quadrant? Second quadrant. So already we know that in second quadrant, sine and cosec positive. See, the sine is positive and cosec also we got positive. Remaining function negative. Cos is minus, tan also negative, cot negative, sec negative. All functions are negative except sine and cosec positive. One more thing observed, that is here 90. 90. If I use quadrangle as 90, so you see the sine will become cos, cos become sine, tan become cot, cot become tan, sec become cosec, cosec become sec. In the previous also, you know, you have studied 90 minus theta. In 90 minus theta, there also quadrant angle 90. There was quadrant angle 90. So
Yeah, select the class that's all.
there also what changes. Galaxy J2, Galaxy J2, please mute your mic. Who is there? Oh, yeah, Seema. Is it? Remove this one. So 90 plus now.
Just So then these are 90 plus theta ratios. This in 90 minus theta also we are studied same. In 90 minus theta also ratios will change. Sine become cos, cos become sine, tan become cot, cot become tan, sec, cosec, cosec, sec. So if we use the trigonometric angle 90, that is we say odd angle it is. If you use odd angle, the trigonometric ratio will change to its co-ratios. That is sine become cos, cos become sine. Tan is cot, cot is tan, sec, cosec, cosec, sec, like this, right? So now we go to next one. So trigonometric ratios of 180 minus theta in terms of theta. Trigonometric ratios of 180 minus theta in terms of theta. Who is Shubhama? Shubham, erase it. Shubham, erase your line. Erase the line on the from the screen. Shubham. इसे डिलीट करना था मुझे erase करना था इसको बनाना लगा तो erase finish करना Shubham, erase the line. Shubham. Okay. The first is sine of 180 minus theta. So what is sine 180 minus theta? See, so 180 can be split as sine of 90 plus 90 minus theta as it is. 90 plus 90 minus theta. So take these 90 minus theta as assume x. So now we go to sine 90 plus x. Already we know that sine 90 plus x now. Sine 90 plus x is equal to Saif. Shubham line to जाना Shubham, Saif, erase the line. Shubham and Saif, here is the line. Shubham.
Sorry, sir.
Here is the line.
Sorry, sir.
Where is Shubham? की बड़ी लाइन हमारी
मेरे चक्कर में तो खींची शायद
Here is good.
तो बोला मेरे स्कूल में आता नहीं
Sin 90 plus x is cos x. So now what is sin 90 plus 90 minus theta? Cos x, x what? X means 90 minus theta. So we know that cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So observe sin of 180 minus theta, what you got? Sin theta. If I use 180, then trigonometry ratios remain same. Sin remains sin. Right? So 180 minus theta also belongs to second quadrant. In the second quadrant, sin is positive. Like this, cos of 180 minus theta is same. We can write cos of 90 plus 90 minus theta. Again, I assume same 90 minus theta x. So cos 90 plus x, it will become cos 90 plus x. What is cos 90 plus x? Sin x. Minus sin x. Cos of 90 plus x is minus sin x. So it is minus sin x is nothing but 90 minus theta. Cos 90 plus x is equal to minus sin x. X means 90 minus theta. So minus as it is. What is sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Because 90 minus theta first quadrant. First quadrant 90 odd angle ratios change. Sin become cos. So cos 180 minus theta equal to minus cos theta. See, yeah, 180 angle. So cos remains cos. Sin remains sin. So 180 angles called as the even angle it is. Even angle. And 90 is called as odd angle. Right? Remember this. Then now we go to tan 90 minus tan 180 minus theta. So tan of 180 minus theta is equal to tan 90 plus 90 minus theta. This is equal to tan 90 plus theta. You know, observe that 90 plus it means second quadrant. Otherwise, you can divide directly. Tan 90 plus tan 180 minus theta is sin 180 minus theta divided by cos 180 minus theta. We can do like this also. Sin 180 minus theta divided by cos 180 minus theta. What is there? Sin theta it is. And this is minus cos theta. So you got this minus sin theta by cos theta minus tan theta. Again, the ratio is not changed. Line जाना चाहिए सर नमस्ते
right? So thank you for attending the class.